What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Unbreakable Timeline here, also known as Chantel, but you can call me whatever you like. So in this video, as you guys can tell by the title, what this video is all about, and I decided just to do a quick ponytail, low ponytail, and I did this before on my channel, but I just wanted to show you guys while everyone is like on lockdown or quarantine. This is just a simple everyday type of hairstyle, and leave it like this for a good 3 to 4 days. But yeah, so I decided just to do something really simple. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below any like ideas you guys may have. So if you wish to see how I just did this quick low bun ponytail on my natural hair, no heat, no anything, then keep on watching.
She's so fine, tutorials beyond timeline.
So I'm gonna get right into it. I just wanted to show you guys the hair products that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I am looking a hot mess, but it's all good because we're about to tame this hair. Let's go ahead and get right into it, and I'm about to show you guys what I got. So I got the Wrap It Up styling strips, and I got this because once I do like my ponytails or whatever, I like to place these strips around my head. That way it can just lay the edges. I also got some new hair, but I'm not going to show that because I'm also doing a different video with the hair. So then I got the Extra Hold Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control, and I freaking love this. I put it on my daughter's hair and also mine's because even though it says extra hold, it's kind of like a grease mixed in with a gel, so it doesn't really hold your edges down, but it will once you place other products on it or whatever. So I really love going in behind whatever gel I'm using because it doesn't flake it up with certain gels. So anyways, so I got this. Then I got my daughter's the Kids 2-in-1 Drama Free Detangling Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture, and I freaking love her products. This one has marshmallow root and blueberries in it, so I never did the hair with this type of ingredients in it, so I'm going to see how that all works out. I did get shampoo and a conditioner, but it's not here with me right now because once this whole, quarantine lockdown thing is over with, I left it at their dad's house. So I kept it there because I have shampoo here for our hair. So once we go into lockdown, we'll be over there, and I just left it there. So I did get also Shea Moisture shampoo and their conditioner. If you guys can tell, my hair is coming out super bad. I don't know why. It's thinning out. I don't know if it's stress, whatever. I don't know. So I'm just trying to restore my hair back to what it was, the fullness of it. Then I just got these rubber bands. It's 1,000 in here. So just got rubber bands for like if I do the next hairstyle you guys gonna see, I might need these. And also for my daughter's hair, I get rubber bands if they want to put like beads in their hair or whatever. So I just got that just in case, because we all don't know how long we'll be on lockdown for. So I'm getting everything out the way that I would need for our hair, because I'm not trying to go out there like that. And then I got these elastic ponytail holders, and it's not really the ones that I like. It's kind of thin and they do stretch out a lot, which is pretty cool, but I like the thicker ones that doesn't have too much elastic in it, because to me I feel like those hold my hair a lot better than these thin ones. But whatever, that's all they had at the store, so I got those. Then I got this Pro Nylon pen styling brush, and the reason I got this is because we have a detangling brush, but I just need something that's a little bit more firm, and this doesn't like sinks in. You know how when you press on the brush it'll sink in, but this one doesn't. It has like a hard piece under it, that way it doesn't sink in. So I just feel like this will be a lot better for our hair. It says it's for thick or curly hair, so I think this will work pretty good. I just got some tweezers because, again, if we go on lockdown, I'm going to need some tweezers to tweeze these brows. And I also got this little eyebrow razor or whatever they call it, but I can use it to, you know, just shave off like the extra hairs that's going to be coming in. And you know, once we're in lockdown, I can just be doing that, because I usually go and get a wax, but I'm not going anywhere, trust me. And then the last item that I got 2 more items. So the other item I got, and I have plenty of these, I actually have 2 in my bathroom right now, but I also got this edge and comb brush because I need a new one. I don't like how the old ones gets all that like clunk on it or whatever, so this is why I got this. And the last item is the True Edge Controller Edge Control. Oh, no, it's not Edge Control, but it's Extreme Hold True Edge Controller. And I usually like to use this for my edges or whatever, because I just feel like this really holds down my hair, along with other things. But this holds down my hair. The only thing I don't like about this is that it will flake my hair and it looks all white and stuff. That's why I got the Cream of Nature Edge Control, because I like to put that on top of this so that way it doesn't look too flaky. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this hairstyle.